Okay, practice one. See, slope function or gradient function or rate of change function all means dy dx. Okay? Can or not? So, let me make it bigger. The function given is fx equal to 3e to the power of 3e x to the power of what? Power of 3, is it? Okay, never mind. I make the view bigger. 200. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, to the power of 3 plus 4 e to the power of 5x e to the power of x minus ln 2 minus ln square root of x. Okay, so this one you need lots of. This is a constant. So to differentiate this, you are supposed to use this formula. Are you clear? Okay, this one you expand. Minus 4 ln 2 e to the power of 5x. So this is also a constant. And this one, you write as x to the power half, then you bring the 2 down. Are you clear? So whenever we do these sort of questions, you have to rewrite. So you know that 3e is like your a. So you bracket it up. Plus 4e to the power of 6x. Take away 4 ln 2 is a constant also. So you bracket it up. Then e to the power of 5x. This one bring the half to front. Okay, after you have done that, then only you start to differentiate. Bring down the power. Power take away 1. For e, you copy down the whole thing times by the derivative of the power. Same go with this one. Copy down the whole thing times by the derivative of the power. For ln, that's it, done. Is it okay? Do I need to explain further? Okay, so now I do practice 1 4a. Question 4. Question 3. Okay, question 4. Okay, consider the curve y equal to ln x square root of 2 minus x. Show that the curve cut the x-axis at x equal to 1. Okay, I think this question, I think got something wrong. Never mind. Let's see. Okay, if the question say like that, show. Okay, listen, huh? Okay, they say show that the curve cut the x-axis. Okay, that means this. Okay, for example, this is the curve. So it cut the x-axis. So that means the coordinate x is 1, the coordinate y is 0. So what we can do is, we just, because they ask us to show, so what we can do is, we just say y equal to ln, you put the x equal to 1, square root of 2 minus 1. So this is ln 1, which is equal to 0. So shown. Are you clear? Hello? So whenever the question just shown, you can just put in the value. Okay? So there's some error with me when I set the question. Okay? So are you okay? Okay, huh? So can I close this practice test? Okay, huh? So now I go to practice 2. Okay? Practice 2. 2B, huh? SAT1 to question 2B. Okay. Okay, state the domain of the function. So I'm doing this question. So the function given is fx equal to x squared over 5 minus 4x. Okay. So when I draw the sign diagram, for fx, it go in this way. So the x-intercept is 0, and the undefined is at 5 over 4. So you ask me how I know the sign. Okay, how I know the sign? I test. For this region A, I use x equal to 2. So 4 over 5 minus 8. So I know it's negative. So I put a negative sign. Okay, for region B, I use 1. Correct? 5 over 4 is greater than 1, so I use 1. So 1 over 5 minus 4, I got 1 more than 0. So positive. For region C, I use negative 1, for example. Okay, so I put negative 1 square divided by 5 minus 4 times negative 1. So I got 1 over 9. So greater than 0, so positive. Is that okay?
Yes.
So you just have to test. Some are easier, some are more difficult to test. So that's all. So any other question?
Miss, for question 2C.
Same practice.
Yeah, same practice. Must we use a quotient rule to find the instantaneous rate?
Question 2C. Okay, if you don't want to use quotient rule, then you tell me what rule you want to use.
Oh, I use quotient rule. Is it correct?
If I'm asking this question, if not quotient rule, you tell me what rule? It's definitely quotient rule. But if I give you this, if I give you things like that, Then this one you don't use quotient rule because this one can be simplified. Then you just use this rule. Simple rule. Are you clear? If bottom is only one term, then you don't use quotient rule. Are you okay? Okay. Okay, anything else, class? Don't have?
Miss Dua,
Yes?
what does it mean by you have to interpret the value of f prime x for anything?
Okay. What do you mean by interpreting the value? That means you tell me what does it represent.
Oh, okay.
That means if I say when x equal to 1, okay, dy dx will be equal to 1 plus 5 over 1 square. So this, in this case, it will be 6. So what is the meaning of this? Okay, you tell me what is the meaning of this?
Is it the rate of change of fx equals to 6?
Yeah. If you give me like that, I won't give you mark at all. You will say the rate of change okay for this function at x equal to 1 is 6. If I ask for geometrical interpretation, can you give me this answer?
Is it f prime of the function is
No.
eh,
When I said geometrical interpretation, I told you already.
the slope of a tangent, is it?
Yes. So all this you have to remember. If not, and you cannot simply write. You must say slope of tangent at x equal to 1. Not any tangent, but this specific tangent. Okay. Everyone key in your attendance already? Who haven't
Miss,
key in your
I
attendance?
haven't. My tailor just now got problem. Can you regenerate it?
Okay, you tell me who haven't key in the attendance.
Me, Carol, miss.
So why you all just keep quiet? You haven't key in the attendance, you just keep quiet. Okay. So I'm going to give you the number again. You please key in. Okay, E, F, H, L, J, E. Another one haven't key in. Please do so. Okay, any other questions that you have? Yes. The rest all no problem. All can do. Okay, I told you already there's the question will be like that. So there will be one question finding the equation of tangent. I told you already yesterday. So There will be also a question that asks you to find the equation of normal. Okay, so can you please try this? Okay, you have 10 minutes to do so. I'll stop. So first step, we must differentiate it, correct? We get the slope function first, am I right? So we get the slope function. So want to get the slope function, we must use product rule, right? So I can just leave the 2 outside. Okay, so I let this be my u. So it's up to you lah, huh? This one is your u. Your u is x. So your u prime will be 1. Your v is e to the power negative 2x. So your v prime will be negative 2e to the power negative 2x. Okay? Anyone got any issue on that? So you follow all the formula, okay? Then this way. So I have e to the power 2x, sorry. E to the power negative 2x times 1 plus x times negative 2 e to the power negative 2x. Okay. So up to you, you want to factorize or don't want to factorize, it doesn't matter for this case because at the end you are going to find. So actually it's good to factorize so that it makes the thing look easier to you. So 2 e to the power negative 2x. And here is 1 minus 2x. Right? Okay. So that is the first step, get the gradient function first. So after you get the gradient function, then you say when okay, you say when x equal to 1. Okay, I want to get my value for the y coordinate. So 2 times 1 e to the power negative 2 times 1. So this is 2 over e squared. Okay, after you get the y coordinate, so you have the point already. So now you have to get the gradient of tangent. Okay, gradient of tangent. So for me, if I need to write down, I write down properly. Gradient of tangent, that is your dy dx. So 2, you substitute your x as 1. 2 e to the power negative 2 times 1. 1 minus 2 times 1. Okay, so I think this one should be negative, correct? Oh, no, should be positive because it's normal. Okay, so the gradient of tangent will be negative 2 e to the power of negative 2. So this means it's negative 2 over e squared. So therefore, gradient of normal will be equal to negative 1 over gradient of tangent. So this is e squared over 2. So therefore, equation of normal will be y equal to m x plus c. So you get your c here. So therefore, equation of tangent normal will be y negative. Y negative, may I know? Y x minus 1 or is x minus 2? This is 2x here. There is a 2 here. Okay, so have to be very careful. Okay, you have to be very, very careful. So here will be e squared over 2x plus your c. Write down your c. Done. Okay, so that is how you find the equation of normal. So there will be one question finding equation of normal. The other question will be finding equation of tangent. So the function given will be different. So what type of function I'm going to give you? So wait till next Monday, 5 o'clock, then you will know. Okay. So class, please remember how to do. Okay, so any other questions? Any other questions that you want me to explain from the textbook and whatsoever? No? Ziqi?
No.
No. So the rest all are okay. So I